Man, was it cold last night. It is crazy out right now. Holy smokes. No pun intended. It's beautiful though. The trees. Oh man. I stayed warm. I didn't die. Hammock did its job well. And the rainfly did too. Spirits are low. Because this is poop. Oh man, what a rough morning. Talk to you later. Morning, DJ. Alright, so I got my pack. And I'm headed uphill back up to my hammock. I did sleep with the water filter, yes sir. Big borrower still. Looks like most of our guys are awake. Once I get moving, I make a stop at the privy and we feel good. It sucks. And it's freezing effing cold. And a lot of our stuff is wet. And look at these lines. Everything's just frozen. If it was damp or wet before, it is frozen now. And nothing you can do. I'm debating coffee. I just don't know. Oh, please, sun, come out faster and warm this junk up. Let's get the hell out of the Smokies. Oh, so I can barely feel my toes now, which is good because I couldn't feel them at all before. And my fingers are coming alive, I think, finally, which is great. And I just stopped and take a quick video of this view because it's amazing. Well, that's the trail, but if I didn't mention before, my shoes were a block of ice. And Jason, or not Jason, DJ definitely definitely lost his shoes to the ice. He could not get them on, so he is